Hello everyone that watching my videos. Our video tutorial is focused on how to make your character move. By the way, if you're still not able to make 3D model, all thing you're going to do, just go to the website that I will left on the description below, then upload the character that you want, with any format you want. Our character today, that we will work on it, it's called Majin Buu. It's best character in series of Dragon Ball for me. Let's make a bone, then drag it to up.
It's just another doorway to open up and see what kind of lifeline will
Go to edit mode for making other bones.
be to bury all these fears and let them fade away. I'm not scared, I'm prepared to find myself again. I wanna fly over mountains, I wanna reach the end, I'll rise up from the ashes, I won't burn again, I'll find my way through the bitterness I'm feeling. I won't rest, I won't give up, I'm still healing. I'm still healing. I won't give up, I'm still healing. I fight the pain that I once let kill my vibe. I fear the day that I lose the chance to fight. So I stand up tall, ready to face it all again. And I will not fall, I won't lose again. I wanna fly over mountains, I wanna reach the end, I'll rise up from the ashes, and I won't burn again. I'll find my way through the bitterness I'm feeling. I won't rest, I won't give up, I'm still healing.
Now, before make symmetry, we have to give each bone a name. It's very important for symmetry.
I'm still healing. I'm still healing. I won't rest, I won't give up, I'm still healing. I won't give up, I'm still healing. It's just another doorway to open up and see what kind of lifeline will be waiting there for me. I need to bury all these fears and let them fade away. I'm not scared, I'm prepared to find myself again. I wanna fly over mountains, I wanna reach the end, I'll rise up from the ashes, I won't burn
Well done! Now, go to Object Mode, then, to make a fusion between the character and bones, we need to select our character first, then, by hold on button Shift, select the bones. Next step, click on button, Ctrl+P, then, select the option, Automatic Weights. Next step, go to Select, Pose Mode, then, select one of the bones, click on button G to move arm of your 3D model. Here we go.
I won't give up, I'm still healing. I fight the pain that I once let kill my vibe. I fear the day that I lose the chance to fight. So I stand up tall, ready to face it all again. And I will not fall, I won't lose again. I wanna fly over mountains, I wanna reach the end, rise up from the ashes. I won't burn again, I'll find my way through the bitterness I'm feeling. I won't rest, I won't give up, I'm still healing. Ready to face it all again, and I will not fall, I won't lose again.
Now, let me show you how to recording each move to make video animation. Maybe we will make some mistakes about the position, because that we are here show you just the basics and we try to not make this video long, but by you will take your time to give your character right positions.
I wanna fly over mountains, I wanna reach the end, rise up from the ashes. I won't burn again, I'll find my way through the bitterness I'm feeling. I won't rest, I won't give up, I'm still healing. I'm still healing. I'm still healing. I won't rest, I won't give up, I'm still healing. I won't give up, I'm still healing. It's just another doorway to open up and see what kind of lifeline will be waiting there for me. I need to bury all these fears and let them fade away. I'm not scared, I'm prepared to find myself again. I wanna fly over mountains, I wanna reach the end, rise up from the ashes. I won't burn again, I'll find my way through the bitterness I'm feeling. I won't rest, I won't give up, I'm still healing. I'm still healing.
Now, we can see that the bones of our character are appearing to disappearing them. Go to Viewport Display, and from Display, select the option stick.
I won't give up, I'm still healing. It's just another doorway to open up and see what kind of lifeline will be waiting there for me. I need to bury all these fears and let them fade away. I'm not scared, I'm prepared to find myself again. I wanna fly over mountains, I wanna reach the end. I'll rise up from the ashes, I won't burn again. I'll find my way through the bitterness I'm feeling. I won't rest, I won't give up, I'm still healing. I'm still healing. I won't give up, I'm still healing. I fight the pain that I once let kill my vibe. I fear the day that I lose the chance to fight. So I stand up tall, ready to face it all again. And I will not fall, I won't lose again. I wanna fly over mountains, I wanna reach the end. I'll rise up from the ashes, and I won't burn again. I'll find my way through the bitterness I'm feeling. I won't rest, I won't give up, I'm still healing. I'm still healing. I'm still healing. I won't rest, I won't give up, I'm still healing. I won't give up, I'm still healing. It's just another doorway to open up and see what kind of lifeline will be waiting there for me. I need to bury all these fears and let them fade away. I'm not scared, I'm prepared to find myself again. I wanna fly over mountains, I wanna reach the end. I'll rise up from the ashes, I won't burn again. I'll find my way through the bitterness I'm feeling.
I hope this video tutorial was useful for you, so please don't forget to turn on subscribe for more videos.